Stick around to the end of the video for a new WCU feature, the contest tip of the week. Welcome to this week's contest update. I started this channel to encourage new hams in their operations. Personally, I'm a contester. I enjoy the challenges offered by contesting. I also find a lot of value in contest participation. This weekly contesting update will be posted on Mondays and will focus on contests that I think new hams would first be able to accomplish with minimal effort, and second, you might enjoy it. I list contests that are coming up in the next 2 weeks to give you time to plan and prepare for anything that might catch your eye. All times use the 24-hour clock and are in Coordinated Universal Time, also known as UTC, Greenwich Mean Time, and Zulu Time. A link to help you determine the offset for your location is in the description below. Now, you'll want some contesting software. There's a link in the description to a list of contesting software. Some I've used, many that I haven't. Please leave any comments on the software that you pick. Links for the rules for all of these contests are in the video description. As always, stay within the operating limits of your license, meaning frequency, power, and mode. We start this week with the Worldwide Sideband Activity Contest. Now this is from 0100 Zulu to 0159 Zulu on May 18th. This is a 1 hour long contest, SSB, that focuses on young hams and lady hams. There's even a special category for young lady hams. Don't drag your feet putting in your log, as they are due no later than the day after the contest. Now this sounds like a fun contest, and I'll probably break out my microphone and make a few contacts. There are more instances of this contest happening over the next 3 months. They happen at the same time every Tuesday. So if you can't do the one this week, try to make one of the following weeks, or try to work a few of them. Next is the Youth on the Air YOTA contest. It's from 0800 Zulu to 1959 Zulu on May 22nd. As the title suggests, this is another contest that focuses on young hams, specifically those 25 years and younger. The more seasoned of us can certainly work the contest and encourage these youngsters. It's a CW and SSB phone on HF, and it looks like fun. Next is the Day of the YLs Contest. This one's for the ladies. Those of us with more testosterone than estrogen are welcome to compete as well. It starts at 0001 Zulu on May 29th and ends at 2359 Zulu on May 30th. The bands are 80, 40, 20, 10, and 2 meters. Modes are CW, SSB, FT8, RIDI, DMR, Fusion, and D-Star. So there's a chance. Now we come to the first monster contest of this series, the CQ Worldwide WPX Contest in CW. Although this is a CW contest, you're not prevented from using your computer to generate Morse code for you. Many contest software packages will do this, and many new radios also have the capability. However, I'd recommend Ham Radio Deluxe in conjunction with K1EL WinKeyer. I get no funding from either of these, but I've been a user both for several years and can heartily endorse them. Of course, if they want to sponsor me, this contest runs from 000 Zulu on May 29th to 2359 Zulu on May 30th. In this contest, you want to work as many different hams as possible. You get different levels of points for if you work a ham in your country, if you work a ham on your continent but not in your country, or if you work somebody in another country. You also get points, you get double points if you move from 20 meters down to 40 or 80. 40 or 80 is the double point part. So you want to work as many hams all around the world as you can for points, and then you work prefixes for multipliers. Now the prefix is the letters and number at the front of your call. For example, my prefix is ND3. The bands will be full of hams, as this is probably in the top 5 lists of contests operated every year. They also have phone and RTTY flavors of the contest on other dates, which I will dutifully report to you when they're coming up. And now it's time for the first weekly contest tip. Always upload your scores. Even if you don't think it's worth it, maybe you only worked 5 or 6 contacts, uploading your score will let you compare this year's score with last year or next year, so you can track your operating improvement. As you get more comfortable with ham radio operations and contesting, and as you improve your station, you'll start to see your scores climb rapidly. Links to the rules for all of these contests are in the video description below. If you have a question about the rules or just want to chat, please post them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer within 24 hours. And now, if you do a contest, please post in the comments letting us know how you did. Please give me a like and consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you won't miss an update. Also, please share this with family and friends who might enjoy the content. 73 for now. Elmer Tom, ND3N, I'm out.